That's right, Mitch. I'm live on scene here in eastern Kentucky, and let me tell you, this Kentucky Windage is no joke. Just watch. That's right, 0 for 6. This Kentucky Windage is about to take me out. Let's go back to you live in the studio. What exactly is Kentucky Windage? Stick around to the end of this video and you'll know what I'm talking about. Kentucky Windage, in a nutshell, is something that a lot of people have heard the terminology, but they don't know exactly what it is. And I'm going to demonstrate what Kentucky Windage is and how to use it properly. It's basically adjusting the weapon that you have. Now, you have to have fired this weapon before, or you're at the range, or some type of Kentucky Windage in a self-defense situation where one shot can end the situation really doesn't apply. But if you have a weapon and you know it shoots a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, a little high, a little low, Kentucky Windage is adjusting your sight picture and sight alignment to hit the target. Now, just because you're dead on it with your sights doesn't mean your sights are accurate. Your sights could be not off. Your weapon, for whatever reason, could like to shoot a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. No matter how dead on your sights are, your scope is, your optic, you might be just a little bit off. So Kentucky Windage is basically adjusting yourself to hit the target and get the results that you desire. So I've got some pizza boxes and some orange juice jugs that we're going to shoot, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Got the 9mm loaded up here. We're going to shoot the target to the far left, and I know my weapon, the sights are on, but I'm going to demonstrate what Kentucky Windage is. I'm going to aim just a little bit to the left, and I'm probably going to miss it. Aim just a little bit to the left. I know which way my weapon's shooting. So now I'm going to aim in the same spot, or the same way, just adjust it so I can hit my target. Three shots, 3 for 3. A little bit of adjustment. I knew my weapon was aiming a little bit to the left, in theory, and you've seen the results. 3 shots, 3 hits. Let's do the same thing. We're going to aim for the target on the right. We're going to pretend the weapon's shooting just a little bit to the right. We're going to adjust and take out the threat. All right, just a little bit to the right. Now let's adjust Kentucky Windage and take this thing out. Kentucky Windage, you can't beat it. One more example here. We're going to pretend that the weapon shooting just a little bit low. We're going to adjust, hitting the pizza box, and then we're going to, here in the center target, and we're going to adjust it and take out that old nasty milk jug, or orange juice jug. Let's do it. Just a tad bit low, so I know where I'm shooting, and I know now where to take this thing out. Kentucky Windage. there's my video on Kentucky Windage. And again, I used the handgun today, but the same principle applies for rifles, shotguns, any type of handgun. You have to know where your weapon is shooting before you can adjust it. So it's not going to do you any good to try and use Kentucky Windage if you've never fired the weapon. You have to know where you're hitting as opposed to where you're aiming before you can adjust. And with the final check of your local forecast, let's go live to our on-scene weather correspondent. All right, I'm back here live dealing with this Kentucky Windage, and I just want to say that Alex Green is so cool. I can't wait to subscribe to his YouTube channel when I get out of this mess. We'll see you guys later.